with code number 561, array partition 1. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given an array of 2n, 2n is the integer, number of integer is even, right? Your task is group these integers into n pairs of integer, say a1, b1, a2, b2 to the a and b1, which makes sum of minimum ai, bi for all I from 1 to n as large as possible. Okay, let's take example 1. 1, 4, 3, 2. So answer is first we needed to sorting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get smallest one. Actually this one is that, okay, let's write index 0, 1, 2, 3. That means if index is the even, that is the answer. Sum of the even index value is answer, right? Okay, then maybe okay, let's make a proper solution. My proper solution is using sorting. It take n log n, and then after sorting, I will iteration only the even indexed the item, and then I will sum all of them, and then I will return. Okay, let me implement that one. First, I will need the total 0, and then I will sort in nums, and then for I in range from 0 to the length nums, and then I will increase 2, and then I will total add nums I, and I will return total. Okay. As you know, this one is the n log n solution because we use the sort. So can you make it better? Okay. Today I'm gonna show you the counter sort. If we use the counter sort, we can make it constant. We can make it linear time. So first I will make the counter sort. I will use this one. Actually the range is not big, only minus 10,000 to the 10,000. So first I will make the same amount of array first, and then I will put it to a number is key, and then value is frequency of that number. So in this case, if num is this one, then I will make it, A is 2,000, 20,001. So that is this one for 10,000, this one for 10,000, and then this one for 0, right? So if we make this one, and then I'll put this is key and then into there. So I have to put it there. Maybe value is A is that's 0, and this is index, and then increase, and then this one must be 10001. 10,001 is the 1. Here I put 1, and then next is 10,002, 10,003, 10,004, and then this is last. So this is 1, and then 4. 4 is here, right? So 4 also 1, and then next 3 also 1, 2 also 1. So Does it make sense? At this time we needed to get the value of only this one. This one is 1, so 1 multiply 1, and then this one we needed to skip it, and then I will calculate this one too. So 1 multiply 1 is 1, and then 3 multiply 1 is 3. So sum of this one is 4. Does this make sense? To do this, we needed to a little bit, we will the iteration all over this one, and then maybe we needed to some flag to check only the odd number, odd index. This is odd index, right? So we get only odd index, this one. Okay, first I will make this one first, and then our iteration n is nums, and then a n start is minus 10,000, so I will plus 10,000. Now minus 10,000 is the change to index 0, right? After that I will iteration index and then frequency. Enumerate a. So index is number, frequency is the number of frequency. The is the number of nums. And then first I will only check the frequency is not 0. If frequency is 0, I will continue. I will skip it. And then next is if frequency is odd number, I will add the total. First we needed to divide the 2 because we needed to only, in both case we needed just 1. So if this is 3, we needed to divide 3, to divide 2, right? Because we needed to only one number of pair, right? So first I will divide frequency, divide 2, and then plus 1. So the reason is if this one is it going to 0, 1 divided 2 is 0, and then is there are nothing to add, get this one. So that is the reason we added to this one. And this one must be added to the index, but this one is quite big. We need to change the deduct to 10,000. And then next we needed to skip this one, right? So to do that, I will check odd is true. First, and then I will do the check. First, and then if odd, then I will need it to frequency deduct 1. So okay, in this case now it's here, right? So this one, when I come here, this is first time to not 0, right? Until here is everything is 0. So not here, so it is odd, not odd. So okay, now this is the odd. Yes, that's right. So this is 1, so we add it to here, and the frequency is 1, so it is 0, and then it plus 1 is 1. 1 is index, this one divide 10,000. So now this one has the 1 because this one multiply this one, right? So now total has 1, and then next we needed to skip it. To do that, we needed to odd flag to true. So next iteration, this one now is here, and this one is the frequency is not 0, so it going here, but odd is the true. So I deduct this one is 0. The reason is why this one is did not count. And then next it going to here, and then this value is 0, so frequency is 0, and odd change to first. Then next iteration, we are able to calculate this one. Calculate, skip, calculate, skip. That is functioned by this one. And then I will return total. Okay, it looks good. Even this is slow, but time bigger notation. This is linear time solution. So if we use this approach to distribute system, maybe performance is much better than now. Thank you.